6 most dangerous foods you should avoid if you have arthritis. Are you eating foods that secretly worsen your arthritis pain? Did you know that everyday favorites like bacon, white bread, and even some healthy-looking snacks could be silently attacking your joints? If you're tired of living with stiffness, swelling, and pain, this video will open your eyes to the foods you need to avoid if you want to take control of your arthritis once and for all. Arthritis isn't just a condition. For millions, it's a daily struggle. But the good news is, you have more power than you think. Today, we'll uncover the 6 most dangerous foods for arthritis, explain why they harm your joints, and most importantly, what you can eat instead to naturally combat inflammation. Stick around until the end, and we'll share a bonus tip for a powerful anti-inflammatory drink to help ease your symptoms. Let's get started. Section 1. Processed meats. The hidden inflammation bomb. Who doesn't love bacon, sausages, or hot dogs? But let me tell you why these favorites are wreaking havoc on your joints. Processed meats are packed with saturated fats, preservatives, and nitrites, compounds that fuel inflammation in your body. They also contain advanced glycation end products, AGEs, which form during high-temperature cooking and contribute to joint damage over time. What's worse, these meats can trigger immune responses that worsen conditions like rheumatoid arthritis. Swap it out. Replace processed meats with healthier protein options like grilled salmon, which is loaded with anti-inflammatory omega-3 fatty acids. Or try plant-based proteins like lentils and chickpeas. Section 2. Sugary snacks and drinks, sweet but dangerous. That donut you just had with your coffee? Or that soda with lunch? Here's why they're trouble for arthritis. Sugar isn't just bad for your waistline, it's terrible for your joints. High sugar intake spikes levels of cytokines, proteins that increase inflammation in your body. Over time, this can worsen swelling and stiffness. Even hidden sugars in granola bars or flavored yogurts are culprits. And don't get me started on sodas. They're sugar bombs with no nutritional value. What to do instead? For a sweet fix, go for fresh fruits like berries, which are naturally sweet and packed with antioxidants to fight inflammation. If you need a drink, try green tea or a refreshing infusion of lemon and ginger. Section 3. Dairy, not so innocent. After all, milk does a body good, right? Well, not always. For many people with arthritis, dairy products like milk, cheese, and butter can exacerbate symptoms. Why? Dairy contains proteins that some believe irritate the tissues around your joints. Plus, it's high in saturated fats, which promote inflammation. Not everyone with arthritis will react poorly to dairy, but if you notice a flare-up after a cheesy meal, it's worth reconsidering. Better choices. Switch to plant-based alternatives like almond milk, oat milk, or coconut-based yogurts. They're creamy, delicious, and arthritis-friendly. Section 4. Refined carbs, the silent saboteur. White bread, pasta, and rice might taste comforting, but they're anything but comforting for your joints. Refined carbohydrates, like those found in white bread, pastries, and regular pasta, quickly break down into sugar in your body. This process raises blood sugar levels and triggers inflammation. Over time, they can contribute to weight gain, putting extra pressure on your already painful joints. Upgrade your carbs. Choose whole grains like quinoa, brown rice, or whole wheat bread. These are packed with fiber and help regulate blood sugar levels, keeping inflammation at bay. Section 5. Alcohol. More than just a hangover. A glass of wine with dinner might seem harmless, but here's why it's risky for arthritis. Excessive alcohol can weaken your immune system and increase inflammation, especially in people with autoimmune conditions like rheumatoid arthritis. Beer, in particular, is high in purines, which can raise uric acid levels and trigger gout, a form of arthritis known for sudden, severe joint pain. What to drink instead? Trade alcohol for herbal teas like turmeric or ginger tea. Both are anti-inflammatory and soothing for joint pain. Section 6. Fried and fast foods. Crunchy but costly. French fries, chicken nuggets, and onion rings. Your favorite comfort foods are anything but comforting for your joints. Fried and fast foods are packed with trans fats and AGEs that contribute to chronic inflammation. They're also calorie dense, promoting weight gain, which increases joint stress. Healthier alternatives. Switch to air-fried or oven-baked options. Sweet potato fries baked with olive oil are a delicious and anti-inflammatory choice. Section 7. Why inflammation is your worst enemy. You've probably heard the word inflammation thrown around, but what does it really mean for arthritis? Inflammation is your body's natural response to injury or infection, but when it becomes chronic, it does more harm than good. In arthritis, this inflammation directly attacks your joints, causing the swelling, stiffness, and pain you know all too well. The foods we've covered act as gasoline on the fire. They worsen the inflammation and make it harder for your body to heal. But here's the key takeaway. Just as food can harm, it can also heal. By cutting out the inflammatory foods we've discussed and replacing them with anti-inflammatory options, you can help calm the storm in your joints. It's not just about avoiding pain today, it's about protecting your joints for years to come. The big picture. Why these foods harm your joints. All of these foods share one thing in common. They fuel chronic inflammation. This doesn't just make your arthritis worse, it can also increase your risk of other diseases, like heart disease and diabetes. But by avoiding these trigger foods, you're giving your joints a fighting chance. The good news? There are plenty of anti-inflammatory, delicious alternatives to enjoy. Instead, what you can eat to fight arthritis. Let's talk about what you should eat to combat arthritis. 1. Fatty fish, salmon, mackerel. Omega-3s reduce inflammation. 2. Leafy greens, spinach, kale, packed with anti-inflammatory vitamins. 3. Berries, blueberries, strawberries, loaded with antioxidants. 4. Turmeric and ginger, nature's strongest inflammation fighters. 5. Nuts and seeds, almonds, walnuts, healthy fats that support joint health. Bonus tip: anti-inflammatory morning drink. Start your day with this powerful anti-inflammatory drink. 1 cup of warm water, juice of half a lemon, 1 teaspoon of raw honey, a pinch of turmeric and cayenne pepper. This drink not only reduces inflammation, but also boosts your immune system, setting you up for a pain-free day. Conclusion: take control of your arthritis today. Arthritis doesn't have to control your life. By making small but powerful changes to your diet, you can reduce inflammation, ease your symptoms, and take control of your health. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and share it with someone who needs this information. Comment below. Which of these foods are you cutting out starting today? Stay informed, stay healthy, and remember, your plate can either hurt or heal. The choice is yours.